Go ahead and do me a favor. Just stand right here.
We're not going to hurt you.
I'm scared. I'm
Listen,
Puerto Rican.
we're just making sure you're okay.
I'm terrified.
Right? We're just making sure you're okay.
What happens to my friends, and I'm terrified. I'm terrified.
Take a deep breath, okay?
I'm so scared.
You're going to be all right. You've been through this before. All right?
But
So
this
you
was
kind of know what to
years ago.
expect.
On the 25th of October, 2025, at approximately 11:40 p.m., officers conducted a high-stakes traffic stop in a residential parking lot involving a female suspect named Angela, who was observed driving erratically and obstructing traffic near the intersection of 75th and Woodward. Clad in a Halloween costume and appearing visibly intoxicated, the suspect claimed she was fleeing a domestic dispute, but quickly became hysterical upon realizing she faced her fourth DUI charge while driving on a suspended license. Despite her persistent pleas for leniency and multiple failed attempts to provide a breath sample at the station, the encounter resulted in her arrest and subsequent felony charges for aggravated driving under the influence.
Do me a favor, stay in the car.
Hi.
Stay in the car.
I am. I live right here in this place.
Okay.
I live right here. My boyfriend is a piece of shit. He sent me driving home. Please. I don't have a license.
Is he giving you a hard time tonight or something? You don't have a license?
I don't, but
That's not a
please.
huge deal.
I know, but I live literally right here 310. This is my building.
I had a
just
feeling
wanna go
since you were
home.
pulling in here.
I am.
Where are you coming from?
Actually, Bolingbrook.
Bolingbrook. Oh, so real
Yes.
close.
Very close. I just
Gotcha.
want to be home. Please don't arrest me. Please
Was he
don't.
at the party with you?
He was.
Okay, and then you guys got into a little bit of a heated argument. He
It was
dipped
kind of
without
physical argument.
you? Okay, you okay at least?
I
You didn't get injured or anything?
just wanted to get here.
Okay, you don't have to go into details if you don't want
I
to.
know, but please, can I just please come home?
You got a
Because
state ID at least?
I do, but I don't have a license and I have a record.
Like I said,
I
that's
don't want
not
to
a
go to
huge deal.
jail. I just want to be here.
You don't go to jail over not having a license.
I know, but I just want to be home.
I hear you. So do you know why I'm stopping you?
Why? Probably because I was on the phone talking shit to him and being like not compliant.
When were you doing that?
Probably halfway the way here. Honestly, I'm not even to lie to you because
Okay.
he just kept calling. This is my ID. He just kept calling and talking shit to me.
Being an asshole, it sounds like.
He is because
Sorry he put you through that
I'm
on
white
a
and he's
night
my
that should have
skin,
been
and
fun.
because of all this bullshit, he just blames me for everything, and that's what.
Okay. Gotcha.
I just keep being told I'm a piece of shit, and I'm white, and I don't understand the whole shit, and I'm just not worthy, and that's me.
Well, I'm sure you are. You seem like a really nice person.
Well, this is where I live, and I finally got home. I just want to go home.
Like I said, I could work with
I know
you.
I'm bogus, and I know I don't, and I really don't. I don't have a license. And I'm being
that's not a huge deal.
completely honest with you, but the thing is,
And I appreciate it.
we went to a place, his son, his daughter-in-law, everybody went. But at the end of the day, like, I was an outcast because I'm not Mexican. So he fucking, whatever, that was the case. And we just got into an argument and I wanted to come home.
Okay.
And then the whole way he was calling me and I just,
Oh, he's still back at the party?
of course he
Gotcha,
is.
okay,
Are
I
you
thought he
kidding
left
me?
you, but that
Like,
makes
we're
sense.
here, like,
Okay. Does he live with you?
no, he's,
His car or your car?
this is my car.
Okay. What happened?
That's
What happened with no license? Did you just never get one, or is it suspended? Or
So what happened is back in the day, like I got DUIs and all types of stuff, and like right now I'm in the process of with my lawyer and all types of stuff. We're doing actually he's getting the hearing, and this will like alliterate it, but we're getting the hearing so I could have the machine in my car.
Despite a pending court hearing to restore her license after prior DUIs, the suspect got behind the wheel intoxicated.
okay, so you've been arrested for DUI before?
I have, but this is in like Lake County. This is not here.
How long ago?
Probably I think my last was 2012.
In 12?
Yeah.
Oh, long time.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah, I'm not, I'm not a belligerent now, like I'm not, but I had to leave where we were.
So the uninsured driving part wasn't the part that concerned me. So when you were at 75th, I'll explain why I stopped you originally. When you were at 75th and Woodward, you were in a straight-through lane. You sat through a whole green cycle with people honking at you.
You know what it is that, because I was trying to pay attention to what the was coming through on my...
Did you notice the people honking at you?
Yes, and I was like, I'm sorry, you didn't see me
waved
put
at
my
them?
hand out. I
No,
was like,
your
I'm
windows
sorry.
are kinda dark,
I did
so-
though. I was like, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, because I know how it is. Like, it's so aggravating.
Like out of your window?
I was, yeah, I did.
Or, like,
I was
through
like,
your
I'm
window?
sorry. No, I literally put my hand out. I was like, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Because
did you?
I get
that
sorry.
didn't see. Did you realize you were in the straight lane, not the turn lane?
I think I just realized, like, I know I'm close to home and I want to get home. I'm not used to this area yet. Like, I've only been here since, I want to say, I know March is a little bit ways out. It's like 6 months, but I'm still trying to get used to it. Where it's like because I haven't drove, because I don't have.
Gotcha. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
I did a little bit, but not too much.
How much is a little bit? That means different things for different people.
When I left here, I had probably like a glass of wine, not too much.
1 glass?
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
The bigger issue I have is that maybe you've had too much to drink tonight. I'm not totally sure yet, but I want to determine that, okay? You said you just had the 1 glass of wine?
I did, but I can't do any type of things because I have back problems. I have all types of stuff. Like, can I please just go upstairs, please? I'm asking your help.
Well, another concern of
Listen,
mine is I asked when you went to the party, you said 11:45 p.m. It's 11:43.
I know it's
not even
10:45. I get it, but
okay.
Can I please just go upstairs, please? My dog is old.
So I need to make sure you're okay to drive.
I am really. Right. I'm just here. I just need your help to let me go upstairs. My boyfriend is a piece of shit. He's a woman beater.
I don't
and
doubt
I just
you.
And I know
like
I understand that, and this is why I had to come home. But please, I finally got home. I never get home without him, and I just want to go upstairs, please. I'm not trying to be a piece of shit, and I'm not like trying to scam anybody, but please just let me go.
I'm not saying you're drunk to the point you can't drive.
I'm really not, but I
gotta determine that before I can.
First of all, I have the field shit I can't do, but I just want to go. This is like not even a year and a half ago. I just want to go home, please.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna have you step out.
Shit, please,
all right.
Please don't,
we're gonna do some field sobriety
tests. Please, I'm so scared. I can't.
Why are you scared? I'm not
because
gonna hurt
I
you.
can't. Like I'm so physically not able to.
And
do
I
this.
take that into account.
But I'm not.
Which ankle
and
did you
I'm
hurt?
not drunk. It's not. It's my right. It's my right one.
Okay.
It's
But
my
you
right
gotta
one.
hear
But
it. You gotta
this
hear
is
it from
a
my end.
Halloween costume. Like, look how I look. Like I'm literally like a Halloween costume.
I get it.
Like,
You're at a party. I understand. All right, but
scared.
I tell you what, every single person
home.
who's been drunk driving always says other.
But I'm not a drunk driver. This
that's-
man was like a piece of shit to me, and I had to leave where we were, and I finally made it here. And you got me in my parking lot, please.
Look, I only noticed you because people were blowing their horn at you, and
because I was just like
sat there
freaking
through a
out. I
green.
was so scared. Like I'm not used to driving. Everybody drives for me. Please just let me go home.
Look, I have to do these field
I know you do,
okay?
but I can't do this because I'm not.
Why don't we do the first one? That one's not going to be anything physical.
I can't do it. Like, look at me. Please just let me go upstairs. I'm scared. I just want to go home.
Okay, how about...
I just want to go home.
Let me get this clear.
I just want to go home.
I understand.
Please.
All right.
I'm home. Please.
How about we do the eye test?
Look, I can see whatever you want me to see. I can see, like...
Okay, so...
I have...
Will you be...
I have like very good vision, but I don't have the best vision, but I have very good vision. I just want to go home. Like, I can't do your f***ing, like, test.
I get it.
Like,
if you're not going to walk...
No, on some real stuff.
If you're not going to walk, that's fine,
no,
but I need you to stand.
But I just
Can you stand up?
Please, like, we're in front of my house. So
Can we stand up and do the eye one?
I can't stand up, but I want to go home. I'm scared. I'm scared.
You don't need to be scared.
I'm terrified. I don't know what's going on, and I'm terrified.
Look, if you only had 1 glass of wine, that's how the tests are going to reflect it.
I just want to go home. I need my glasses, though. My glasses are upstairs.
No, you don't need glasses for this.
I do, though.
No, because I have people take their glasses off.
My glasses are upstairs. I'm scared. I don't want to feel anything. I'm scared.
You don't need your glasses to
I'm
be fine on this
terrified of
test.
what's going on right now.
Okay, well, right now, it's just field sobriety test.
Okay, but
Why don't we do the eye one?
Please, I live right here. Please.
Are you refusing to do them?
No, I'm not.
Then I need you to step out.
I just want to go home.
I get it, but we can't do that until this is over.
What am I doing right now? Can you explain
So I need you to step out. We're going to go to the back of your car. I'm going to perform the field sobriety test.
But no, I can't like move and all the extra movements because I told you I was in a car accident and all that stuff.
And if you feel
you said it was the eyes. You said it was the eyes.
You still got to stand up for it.
Right, but it's just eyes. I could do eyes, but I can't.
If that's the only one you can do, then that's what we'll do.
I'm scared.
So I won't make it if you're not willing or able to do the walk and the 1-leg stand. Let's go do the eyes.
So please don't try to arrest me. I just want to go home.
I just need to make sure you're sober.
I am though.
Yes,
I am.
I'm
good.
You'll do fine.
I promise you, I'm good. I live literally right in this building. Like I made it here.
Just go back there with my partner.
Okay. I'm sorry. Please don't.
No worries. Go ahead and do me a favor. Just stand right here.
We're
not
gonna hurt you.
We're not.
I'm scared. I'm
Listen,
Puerto
we're just making sure you're okay.
I'm terrified.
Right? We're just making sure you're
I've
okay.
seen what happens to my friends, and I'm terrified. I'm terrified.
Take a deep breath, okay?
I'm so scared.
You're gonna be all right. You've been through this before.
I
all right.
but
So
this
you
was
kind of know what
years
to
ago.
expect.
I don't. Wait. What are we doing? Wait.
Just
before
the eyes
you do,
right now.
Okay, just my eyes
Okay.
because I'm okay.
Yes.
I'm okay. I can't see far, but I'm okay.
I'm not gonna ask you to see
Okay.
far. All right.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna
Please
have
don't.
you.
Please don't.
So take just one step away from your car.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna put you in the starting position.
Okay,
All
but
right.
we're not doing this whole because I can't
That's
because
fine.
I told you
We-
that already.
Then we won't. All right. So
I'm
this one's
scared,
just the
I'm
eyes.
scared.
So
I'm
just
scared.
Follow my directions here, okay?
Okay.
It's all right.
Okay.
We're gonna be fine.
I'm sorry. Please
it's
don't
gonna
hurt
be fine.
me. Please don't hurt me.
Go ahead.
I'm Puerto Rican and Italian. I'm not Mexican or nothing.
I'm not
I don't
here to
want-
hurt you.
I don't want to be detained. I don't want to be hurt. I'm
All right. Well,
scared.
you're not being hurt.
I'm
So do me a
scared.
favor. Just like your feet are, you can keep them right next to each
scared.
other.
I'm so
Keep
scared.
your arms
Okay.
down at your sides.
Okay.
All right. This is just
I'm
the eyes.
scared. I'm sorry. I'm
gonna be fine.
scared. I'm scared.
This is just gonna be the eyes.
scared. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm scared.
Collect yourself.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
You don't need to be scared.
I've seen my friends. I'm
You don't
scared.
need to be scared.
Okay.
It's the tip of my pen. You're
Okay.
just gonna follow it with your
Okay.
eyes only. You keep your head nice
All
and
right.
still.
Okay.
All
I'm
right.
sorry.
I'm gonna have the
let
light
me-
a little bit here, but I won't put it directly in your
Wait.
face,
Wait.
okay?
What did you just say?
I'm gonna have the light kind of on your face,
Okay.
but not right in your eyes.
All right.
Okay. So just follow with your eyes
Okay.
only. See how you moved your head that time? Keep your head real still.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to try the walking thing, and I can take that into account with
It
if
is.
anything
It's
goes
too
wrong.
many. It's
Okay.
too many.
Why
shit.
don't you just listen to him give the instructions, and after he's done giving you the instructions, you can
I can't.
decide whether you want to try it.
And I
How
don't.
about-
I'm terrified.
So-
Please, I live right here. Please.
Is all you
sir,
have is the
please,
one
can
ankle?
You guys, please just give me a pass.
Is
I
it-
just want to go home. I don't care about my man. I don't care about anything. I
Is
got
it just
two
your one-
elderly dogs. I just want to go home. Please, can you please, guys,
Angela.
just give me a pass, please, sir, please.
All right.
I'm terrified.
So which ankle did you hurt?
I have been in so much
Angela.
trouble in the last years, and I have not done anything wrong. But finally today, I said enough was enough, and I left. And I left.
gonna
And
try
I finally
PBT.
left, and I just
I'm gonna
wanna
try
go
PBT. Just keep
Yeah,
an eye on
okay.
her.
I just want to go home.
Yeah, no worries. I understand what you're saying. So listen, I just want to a couple of things with you, okay? You know the alphabet, right?
I do.
Okay, perfect.
I do know
Would
the
you
alphabet.
be able to say the alphabet starting at E and then stop at W for me?
Starting at what?
Yep, start at E and then just stop at W.
E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W.
And you know how to count, you know numbers,
I do.
right? Would you be able to count down from 59 and stop at 37?
59 to 37,
Yep.
58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 30, I'm sorry, 29, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like, I'm
Yeah,
not.
no worries. And
I'm
did
not-
you remember what I asked you to do? I'm just asking.
For the alphabet.
Yeah, well, after that, do you remember what the numbers test was? Do you remember what I asked you to count to?
I don't, because
Okay.
I'm just,
No worries.
I'm scared. I'm freaking out.
I hear you.
Because I've been in so much trouble, and I just
Take
want
a
to
nice,
be okay.
take a nice deep breath. You're okay right now.
Okay. Please.
So, Angela-
My mom is going to freak out.
All right, well, hopefully not. All right.
All right, Angela. This is the breath test. Take a few deep breaths.
Please, please, you guys, please don't hurt me. I'm scared.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
I know.
Everything's on recording. I don't know if it's gonna happen.
I'm doing everything I can.
Nice deep breath,
I'm
all
doing
right?
everything I can. I'm scared.
No, you're fine. One glass of wine doesn't.
It's not one glass of wine. I told you I had 2 beers, so like 1 glass of wine, but it was like
Okay.
hours ago.
Hours
but
ago. So-
I'm freaking out because I am scared.
The way
I'm
the math
scared
works
as
with blood work on that, you
fuck.
should be just fine if your eye strength was at
I
730.
know I am, but I can't do that.
Are you refusing to do
I
that?
am.
Okay.
Because my lawyer told me never
You
to.
realize that's the best
I
way
know,
for you to
but
prove to
I'm
us that
in
you haven't had too
my-
much to drink, right? Okay, it doesn't matter where you're at. Okay.
Can you guys please give me a chance, please? Like,
This is your chance.
I
This-
know
that-
it,
this
but
is your
I
chance.
can't do that. I can't. I don't even remember when the last time I drank was today. But can you guys please? We're in my parking lot.
10-4.
I live here. Like I
All right.
literally.
Well, I'm gonna let you know,
live here.
Angela. Right now, I gotta go with what I got. All right. So turn around. You're under arrest
Are
for
you
DUI.
arresting me?
Yes. Yeah.
Why? What am I getting?
For DUI.
No, wait, you guys, wait.
No, you're
wait.
under arrest
What
for
can I do
driving
to
under the
what can I do
nothing.
to make it better?
Well, you could have blown in the PBT, but you
I
decided not to
know,
do that.
but what
right?
can I do to make it better?
Here,
Like
bring your arm back.
my car is here.
We're gonna deal with that.
Okay, but what can I do to make
I
it
will
better?
give you another opportunity
Wait,
at the
hold on.
police department to blow
No,
and
wait,
show me you're
you-
sober.
wait,
If you
hold
blow
on.
sober, you will
Hold
not
on.
be charged with DUI.
Hold on. Can I please talk to you guys, please?
Feel free.
Is there anything I can do to make this not make me arrested?
No, you're under arrest.
Wait, hold on, because I haven't. Please.
Come on, let's
Like
go.
I said, I'm going to give you a chance to
Sir?
blow at the station.
Okay.
If you're under,
But what about
then you're
my
good.
car?
It's going to
My
be towed.
phone is in there. Okay.
I'll grab your phone.
Can you bring my phone with
Yes.
me?
You need like a wallet too in there?
Yeah, my whole purse. Can I? No, he didn't. I would never let him.
Okay,
He didn't. He
Did you
didn't.
stumble?
I don't know how to get up there.
We will support you on your arms.
Yeah.
If you want to put
Just be
maybe one
very
first
careful.
foot first.
Wait, how do I? Okay.
So whichever foot you feel more, maybe the
terrified.
maybe the
I'm
left
so
foot
scared.
first.
You're
Okay.
Safe.
Take
No
a deep
one's gonna-
breath.
No one's going to hurt you.
I've never been. I'm scared.
Take a nice deep breath, okay? We're just gonna step right up and in.
How do I get out of this? Is there anything I can do to get
Blow at the station.
No, wait, right now, like where we're here. Is there any way that I
no,
can get
we're
out of
past
this?
that point for right now.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'll give you another opportunity at the station and we'll go from
Can
there.
we do
okay?
it now, please? Because
We
I
can't.
just want to go home.
We can't.
Can you pull the machine out and I'll do it?
That you lost that opportunity.
Please, can you
I'll
do
give
it?
you another one at the station.
I don't want to.
If you prove me wrong, I'll give you a ride home.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
You need to get in the car.
I'm so scared.
We're gonna get another opportunity to blow in the breath machine at the police department.
I'm scared.
Right now, we got it.
I'm
Take care of this,
terrified.
Step on up.
I can't. Somebody help me because I can't. I'm in my costume. My
wanna hurt
keys.
ya.
My keys are in there. My dogs
I'll
are.
get it. I'll
My
get it.
house.
So
Please.
let's take a nice easy
Okay.
step up. There
Okay.
you go.
Wait. I got
I'll support you over
I
here.
got.
Okay, if this is too high,
Is that I gotta grab something because
let's go ahead and have a seat in my car. My car's a little
because
low, and
I
I feel
my ankle is bad from
No
the
worries.
That's
accident.
okay.
We're gonna have you have a seat in
I'm
my car.
terrified.
He's got an SUV that's a lot lower.
You guys, please. What can I do to get out of this? Like, I didn't do anything wrong. I just wanted to get home. I just
understand.
wanted to get home. My boyfriend
Make
was
sure you get that call.
a
Take a nice
piece of
easy
shit.
seat. Put the leg back up in there. Perfect. Nice easy seat.
Put all my stuff in my car.
I'll grab your grab it.
Please, because my dogs are alone, and so somebody's gonna have to get my keys to my
Yeah,
house.
we'll definitely get there. We'll figure something out for the dog.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
All right, just sit tight for a second, okay?
Angela is an individual with an extensive history of DUI offenses, having at least 3 prior convictions, the most recent documented around 2012 inches Lake County. At the time of the encounter, her driving privileges were legally suspended, and she was in the process of seeking court approval to have an ignition interlock device installed. The encounter began when officers observed the suspect operating her vehicle erratically, ignoring traffic signals, and obstructing a straight-through lane at the intersection of 75th and Woodward. While the suspect did not engage in a high-speed vehicle pursuit, she actively evaded the initial stop by continuing to drive until she reached the parking lot of her own apartment building. The entire interaction, from the initial observation to the point she pulled into her parking spot, lasted approximately 5 to 7 minutes, covering a short distance. Upon realizing she was trapped in her own parking lot, the suspect did not attempt to flee on foot or resort to violence. Instead, she immediately adopted a strategy of emotional manipulation, repeatedly pleading with officers to give her a pass because she was home and concerned for her dog. She attempted to blame a recent domestic dispute for her erratic behavior and repeatedly refused to comply with field sobriety tests or breathalyzer requests. Ultimately, due to her refusal to cooperate and the mounting evidence of impairment, officers proceeded with a lawful arrest, taking her into custody without further incident.